Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. These are the assets that we are checking out tonight. Okay, and of course you can follow up with me. I will be doing that using my own personal analysis, time frame, and of course the trading tools I will be using. So if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200, and of course guys, this had been on uptrend for a while. Okay, and okay, first of all, I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend milker trade indicator to do my analysis right from here. So these had been on uptrend right from there, and of course it got to this resistance and wasn't able to break out from there. So it's tried to go back on downtrend, but right now it is having a pullback. After the pullback, I expect it to switch back into a downtrend and break out below this region, and that will give us an opportunity to sell more and may likely get to this region if it starts selling. Okay, and of course if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then definitely it's going to keep on buying. So for now it is buying at the moment until it is done with the breakout. That is when it's going to sell. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. That is GainX 999. GainX 999 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. Okay, gave us a downtrend signal, a sell signal, and this is our setup, and it has been selling since then. Got to this support region, had the pullback, went back there to break out below it, and it has gotten to this particular support zone. If it breaks out from here, it's going to keep on selling. So for now this is still selling until it is unable to break out from this support zone, and that should give us the right signal before we jump into the trade. So for now this is still selling. So next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200. It bought from this support region to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it. So right from there it started selling. Okay, so it started a downtrend and it has been selling since then. Okay, so I expect it to get to this region, okay, if it continues with the downtrend. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out PayNext 999 together. So guys, this is PayNext 999. Just where we have seen this had been on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, tried to sell for a while but didn't go too far, so it went back up to break out above that. So this is still buying at the moment, so it's still on a very strong uptrend. Okay, so it is buying until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. That is when it will start selling, and that will bring out every necessary signals before you jump into it. Okay, so this is FX volume 80, and this has been playing within this region and this region. So it bought from here to this particular resistance, and it was unable to break out from there, so it switched back into a downtrend and started selling. It has gotten to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, so it started an uptrend right from here. Here are the highlighted areas which I highlighted earlier. Okay, so entry point, stop loss, TP 1, 2, 3 achieved. Then the fourth TP, it is heading towards the fourth TP right now. So this is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family.